we complete first point, history, a science that tells us about the events in the past. In short, I will tell you the important points. The time before the birth of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the time 400 years ago or 400 years before now. For our convenience, we divided the time into past, present, future, or now, today, this year, after some time, tomorrow, next year. Okay, the past includes many events that have already taken place. The science that tries to understand past event is called history. Now we study second point. Second point is the scientific method of history. In standard 3rd and 4th, as a part of environmental study, we have become acquainted with the various sciences. The special characteristics of all these sciences in that their facts or evidence can be tested in experiments, which can be repeated anywhere, any time. That means the facts, evidence we found that can be tested using experiment, which can be repeated. The method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called scientific method. Note down the point. What is scientific method? The method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called scientific method. There are many things that happen since our birth that we may not know about. However, our grandparents or parents or other often tell us amusing stories of our childhood. Those stories are a part of their memory. However, when a different people tell us about the same event, we find differences in their narrations. It makes a wonder which one is right. We need to examine the details of each narration carefully to decide the correctness of facts. Suppose your parent says you are so quiet in your childhood, but your neighbor, other people says you are so naughty, you always trouble to each other, you are always fight, then you are confused. Yes? What you do? Then tell me. You go to your parents and ask what is truth. That means you examine and find out what is truth. Just like that, if the evidence, facts are found, then we can examine that using a scientific method and find out the results. It is not possible to conduct experiments to recreate the events that have happened in the past. Therefore, the method of presenting history is different from that of other sciences. Can you tell me? Can you tell me it is possible to repeat your past? No. You are now 12 years. Again you became 4 years old? No. You can't repeat your childhood. But we have some photographs of our childhood, that is our evidence. Therefore, the method of presenting history is different from that of other sciences. Even so, history uses the scientific method at every stage, namely while looking for and collecting evidence, examining the evidence, and while putting it together. When required, help is also taken from other sciences. That is why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. It is a main point. Why history is considered to be a scientific discipline? History is considered to be a scientific discipline because history uses scientific method to examine at every stage. But sometimes when we collecting evidence, testing or examine the evidence, we need to help the other science. That's why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. It is also main point. History is not written on imagination.